Alright, here's the set, playing over here, wings with a stage ramp. I know you've got the instruments, you're on order. The beginning set here, I'm going to set this up here. So these pots can be anywhere. Obviously the drum's not on, bass drums start on the wings, snares, tenors and flubs over here. These pods can be character based. They can be moved around just a little bit. So once we start, just start with some character stuff, maybe putting on the jackets, putting on the goggles, that kind of stuff. Those forms can break apart at different times. And then I was thinking here maybe some flight stuff, kind of follow the leader, pretending you're flying, maybe the dream of flying, whatever. Bass drums obviously go up the ramp, flubs come over and join in. Some little body thing here in the little 2 lines, doesn't have to be the do-si-do. We can change speeds at some of these, like the way that they move at different times if you don't like the velocity of that, just to get them to the edge. Pick up the drums. And thought move them into a body shape here for this little moment. No need to march through this. You can do some cool body stuff. And then obviously you creating focus here with the shape and the pit to the propeller, that whatever happens, happens. So there's the first part. Let me know what you think.